Nissan key fobs, commonly found on models like the Rogue, Altima, and Sentra, typically use CR2025 or CR2032 coin cell batteries. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a key fob toolkit. First, locate the seam on the key fob, usually between the buttons and the base. Insert the screwdriver into the seam and gently pry the two halves apart, being careful not to crack the plastic. Once open, remove the old battery, possibly using a non-conductive tool. Then, insert the new battery with the positive plus side facing up, away from the circuit board. Finally, snap the case back together and test all the buttons. If it doesn't work, double-check the battery orientation or check for corrosion. Remember to dispose of old batteries responsibly by recycling them at electronics stores. Always confirm the correct battery type by checking your Nissan model's manual. The Sentra uses CR2025, while Rogue variants may use CR2032. Be cautious when opening the case to avoid damage and use genuine batteries to maintain your warranty. A significant trend is the shift towards rechargeable key fobs, particularly in newer EVs like the Aria, reducing the need for disposable batteries. Although these are becoming more popular, ensure you know what type you have to avoid damaging the key fob. If you encounter issues or your car is under warranty, consider professional servicing. Battery life averages 1.5 years, but cold weather can shorten it. DIY replacement can save money, but improper handling can lead to reprogramming needs.